Welcome to Handcraft Yoga's February workshop series. I'm excited to get started. I want to first explain how we're going to roll into February. We're going to break down the workshop content into a couple of different videos so that you can opt in whenever you're available. You don't have to do the whole 90 minutes at once. You can pick and choose what you'd like. It's like a buffet of a workshop. Of course, ideally, you'd string them all together and create a whole experience, but do what you can to participate wherever you can. Let the workshop meet you where you are. So last month we talked about germination and the resources we use to create beautiful big plants in the gardens of our lives. And so this month we're going to talk about, in the spirit of February's love theme, we're going to work in the most important love of all, which is self-love. This is also one of our biggest internal resources we can build from. So we're going to work with what it is to build and cultivate self-compassion and self-love. We're going to work those into an asana practice. We're going to work with a guided meditation. We're going to build ourselves a card to show how much we care. And then we're going to close with a nice restorative practice. Of course, there's going to be some juicy little nuggets to think about in there as well. So enjoy February's workshop content. Let me know what you think, and I look forward to seeing you on the mat.